Hello, welcome to G-Lite concept. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to trace a logo in CorelDRAW. So to trace a logo in CorelDRAW, that's not hard at all. Just click on what you want to trace, come to trace bitmap, outline trace, and this is our logo. So it's going to trace it right here. This is it. And then we click OK. And let's pick our logo. This is our logo. So you can ungroup this and do a lot of things with it. You see this, you can clean it. Just maybe take out these parts, things like this. Maybe give it a better color. And yeah, you can just do work on it how you look at this. So you can edit all those. So let's see how we can do it for another logo. Let's see this. Trace, bitmap, outline trace, and logo. So here is our logo. Just hit on OK and pick this out. You can see our logo right here. You can see our logo right here. Where traced. Okay. So let's do it for these two. Just come to trace bitmap, outline trace, and logo. It's going to trace this beautiful logo for us, Apple logo. Just wait for the outcome, and here we go. This is our logo traced. I can hit on OK. Just pick your logo, and here it is. So this is how you can trace a logo in CorelDRAW. Well, you can see edit this too. You can just come here and ungroup this all and see how you can just take these parts out to give your logo a more great view. So you can give it any color of your choice, anyone you want, anyone at all. So thank you and see you some other time.